I'm really excited to be here today to inspect the renovation that is going on at the Serena Hotels. Just as a reminder, we did start the renovation for we acquired this hotel in 2011. There was a feeling that we'll be here for a few years, change the brand and move on. But 14 years later, we're still in Tanzania, and we're going to continue for another 50 years, as we say, in Serena. We are here to stay for a very long time. Now, we did start with when we started renovation, this hotel was tired. We started the public areas. We completed the renovations around 2017. And what happened is we were planning now to do the room renovation. All our guests kept on complaining about the quality of the rooms. And we decided to say, okay, let's start the planning. And by the time we finished the planning, we were hit by COVID. And then COVID put us behind in time. Now, when COVID put us behind in time, we couldn't continue renovation because we were about surviving and getting through this. One thing I like to mention very truthfully is that Serena, in whole of Africa, did not lay off any employees. We planned again to start the renovation, and we're spending close to 13.2 billion shillings to do the renovation, about $5 million for all our guest rooms. And we've already started the work end of February. And we plan to finish all the 245 rooms by this December or early January 26 at the latest. But we are on a very aggressive plan. We decided not to close down the hotel. It's Ramadan, it's Iftar going on, so many things are happening. Our guests told us don't close, so we've closed the left wing to the renovation, which finishes in July. Then we'll do the right wing, which we'll do from July to December. And we have our contractor who is a Tanzanian company. Our GM also, Mr. Charles Mboy, is a Tanzanian. And 100% of our employees here are, 99.9% are Tanzanians. So we've built local capacity. We don't bring too many expatriates, maybe one or two, but not in key positions. I really wanted to pay tribute to the President, Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu, for helping us with the royal tour first to start with, to jumpstart. When she did the royal tour and became our ambassador for marketing globally to so many different countries, and then she traveled around and we did the shooting as well, our business on the northern circuit in Tanzania has gone up by 35 to 40%. So we have really recovered. And that has given us the strength to actually carry out a lot of renovations of all our properties in the Northern Circuit, which we are also doing simultaneously with the Dar es Salaam Serena. Even here in Dar es Salaam, we've seen a lot of meetings, business and everything come back, and we are doing well. The only thing that let us down was the renovation of our rooms that were pending. So we said with the success that we're experiencing now, let's also now upgrade all our properties from the cash flows that we can sustain. We're very grateful for all the events Tanzania and the enabling conditions. Okay, this one thing is about marketing about Tanzania. The other thing is creating enabling conditions for investments to come, foreign direct investment to come into the country. We've seen some come into Tanzania, some come into Zanzibar. We have seen the laws and the legislation that we have here is predictable. So when we sign the contracts with all the tour operators and travel agents, they know what to expect. There are no quick, sudden changes of legislation or park fees or anything. So that really helps us to have a predictable business going forward. And that has been really critical for Tanzania. I think Tanzania is doing extremely well on tourism circuit because I, as a regional CEO, I cover Mozambique, Tanzania, Zanzibar, Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda, and we are doing very well here. And kudos to the Ministry of Tourism, the Minister of Tourism, and the government for what they are doing in terms of marketing Tanzania.